If you've lost access to your MyAlpari account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the MyAlpari login page. Go to the official MyAlpari website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your MyAlpari account. Ensure that you use the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log into your account. Once you've successfully reset your password, return to the MyAlpari login page. Enter your email and new password to access your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to MyAlpari's customer support for further assistance.